Okay, hello and welcome everybody. We're going to go ahead and do a couple of steps here in math calculation for stairs. We're going to go ahead and work these three steps as an example problem, but I want to show you what we're doing first. So what we're doing is we're trying to figure out first how many steps there are. So in this example of this picture here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's actually 5 steps to get to the top of the landing. So I'm going to show you here in a moment how to get that number based on different sets of stair examples. And the next thing we're going to do is actually calculate the height of each step, aka the unit rise. We're going to solve for the unit rise. So that's the math we're going to solve. So let me go ahead and work through a problem with you. Okay, in our example, we are going to use, we will use 78.5 inches. That'll be our example for this problem. So 78.5. And this is the math right here. This is step 1, step 2, step 3. And we're going to get these answers here, and we're going to draw the information we need to build these set of stairs out of this. So we're going to start with 78.5, and what that is, that's the total rise. That's the height of one floor to the height of the other floor where the set of stairs is going to go. So from the one story to the second story, from finished floor height to finished floor height. We took our measurements, we determined this is 78.5. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that total rise, which is right here, and we're going to plug it in here. So 78.5 divided by 7. And that's going to give me the number of steps. I'm going to have to round that, but it's going to give me the number of steps. And in this case, it's going to be 1.21429. Doesn't really matter because we're going to round that answer. So that's actually going to round to 11. So 11 is your answer in this particular case. So we're going to go ahead and put that in where it needs to go. And it goes right here. Rounded to the nearest whole number, 11. So the answer to the question of how many steps we need is 11. Okay? So the next thing we need to solve is the actual size of the unit rise. So again, that's just the height of one step. Simply enough, we just take that 78.5 and we divide that by the 11. And that's going to give me the answer. So in this case, it is going to be 7.136364. That is the answer. What we then got to do is actually convert this into a measurement. So it's going to be 7 inches. But we'll take this remainder here and we're going to times it by 16. And we're going to get a number. And that number is going to be 2 point. So if we take that remainder times 16, we're going to get 2.181818 as an answer. Well, that rounds to 2. And we're going to put it over 16. So the answer is actually 7 1/8 inch unit rise. So there you have it. That's simple enough. Simple 1, 2, 3. We found the number of steps, and then we found the size of each of the unit rises. So this is one example of how to do this. Okay, here in the next lesson, we're going to actually cover steps 4, 5, and 6. So that'll be the next lesson. Okay, that's good for today. Thank you.